Next story. Decline in U.S. scientists pursuing postdoc positions, latest data. In the bustling landscape of scientific research and academia, a new trend is emerging that has raised eyebrows and sparked discussions among experts in the field. Data recently released by the U.S. National Science Foundation, NSF, has revealed a notable decline in the number of U.S. citizens opting to pursue postdoctoral positions, particularly in the biological and biomedical sciences. The numbers paint a concerning picture, showing a stark 8% decrease in the participation of U.S. citizens and permanent residents as postdocs from 2021 to 2022, the largest year-to-year drop in the history of the survey. Meanwhile, the number of postdocs holding temporary visas saw a 6% increase during the same period. This shift in demographics is echoing worries about a potential postdoc shortage within the academic community and hinting at a preference among early career scientists for more lucrative opportunities outside the traditional realms of academia. The decline is particularly pronounced in the biological and biomedical sciences, where both the total number of postdocs and the number of U.S. citizens and permanent residents engaging in these positions witnessed a notable decrease. This drop aligns with a new PTICK in hiring by biotech companies, suggesting that the allure of industry roles with higher salaries may be pulling talented researchers away from postdoc positions in academic settings. Experts in the field, including Tom Kimbus, the executive director and CEO of the National Postdoctoral Association, express concerns about the implications of this trend. They stress the importance of addressing the factors that are dissuading domestic researchers from pursuing postdoc opportunities, underlining that such a shift may not be beneficial for the country as a whole in terms of advancing scientific research and innovation. While the exact reasons behind this shift remain unclear, there is a growing recognition within the academic community of the need to make postdoc positions more appealing and competitive. Suggestions for enhancing postdoc experiences include increasing salaries, improving benefits, and providing better professional development support. These recommendations have been put forward by advisory groups and organizations within the scientific community, such as the U.S. National Institutes of Health, in a bid to attract and retain top talent in research and academia. As the landscape of scientific research continues to evolve, the findings from the NSF data serve as a call to action for funding agencies, institutions, and policymakers to reevaluate and revamp postdoctoral positions to ensure they remain attractive and conducive to nurturing the next generation of scientific pioneers. Source: Science. Next story. The mystery of aging: how pregnancy accelerates and reverses physical aging. In a world where every discovery unlocks new mysteries and every puzzle reveals unexpected answers, recent scientific research has shed light on the fascinating interplay between pregnancy and aging. A recent study published in Cell Metabolism has uncovered a potential link between pregnancy and accelerated aging. By examining blood samples from over 100 pregnant individuals, scientists observed significant epigenetic modifications that could potentially increase a person's biological age by up to 2 years. However, amidst this revelation, a surprising twist emerged. Post-pregnancy samples showed a reversal in biological age for some participants, particularly those who exclusively breastfed their children. These individuals ended up biologically younger after giving birth. While the implications of this phenomenon remain unclear, the study author, Kieran O'Donnell, warns against jumping to conclusions about a rejuvenation effect or its impact on future health outcomes. In another groundbreaking discovery, researchers have uncovered the elusive hiding place of the notorious norovirus, the leading cause of foodborne illnesses worldwide. Tuft cells in the colon were identified as the sanctuary where the virus can evade the immune system and persist for extended periods, making infected individuals contagious for months. Understanding how norovirus evades immune response could lead to strategies for faster clearance of infections and potentially inform treatments for cancers linked to tuft cells. Meanwhile, a study in Science Advances has unearthed intriguing details about the steeds used in medieval English jousting tournaments. By analyzing isotopes in the teeth of buried horses near Buckingham Palace, researchers found that many of these prized animals originated from Scandinavia, northern Italy, and Switzerland. This discovery opens a new window into the historical trading practices and cultural exchanges that shaped medieval England's equestrian traditions. Delving deeper into the realm of molecular interactions, a bio-RXIV preprint suggests that capsaicin, the fiery compound in chili peppers, may hold the key to mitigating ethanol-induced gut damage. By temporarily blocking a protein called KEAP1, capsaicin activates antioxidant pathways that protect gut tissues from oxidative damage caused by alcohol consumption. This finding not only offers a potential remedy for alcohol-related health issues but also hints at broader applications in combating oxidative damage and treating various cancers. As the boundaries of scientific exploration continue to expand, each discovery opens a door to new possibilities and deeper understanding. From the intricate dance of pregnancy and aging to the hidden secrets of viral persistence and the historical journeys of medieval steeds, these revelations remind us of the endless wonders waiting to be unraveled in the vast tapestry of science. Source: Science. Next story. Polite bird behavior. Understanding how female birds communicate respectfully with their mates. In the enchanting realm of avian behavior, a tale of politeness and cooperation has unfolded, showcasing the intricate communication skills of Japanese tits in Nagano, Japan. Picture this: a pair of these charming birds returning to their nest, laden with food for their offspring. As they approach their birdhouse, a remarkable display of courtesy takes place. The female alights gracefully on a nearby branch, her wings aflutter in a gentle, yet deliberate motion directed towards her mate. In a gracious gesture reminiscent of human manners, she signals for her partner to enter the nest first, a subtle but significant act of deference. Following this avian etiquette, the male dutifully takes the lead, entering the birdhouse before the female follows suit. Through meticulous observations of these feathered companions, researchers uncovered a pattern of behavior among multiple pairs of Japanese tits. The females emerged as the primary flutterers, using their wing movements to indicate "after you" to their mates. However, when the female refrained from fluttering, she often took the lead in entering the nest, suggesting a nuanced communication strategy at play. What makes this avian social interaction truly fascinating is the intentionality behind the female's fluttering gesture. Rather than a mere directional cue towards the nest, the fluttering was a deliberate act performed while facing the mate, emphasizing the message of deference and cooperation. This discovery unveils a layer of complexity in avian communication, showcasing symbolic gestures previously believed to be exclusive to primates. In a world where gestures speak louder than words, these Japanese tits have unlocked the art of polite communication, weaving a narrative of mutual respect and collaboration within their feathered community. As we marvel at the elegance and sophistication of nature's language, we are reminded that even in the smallest of gestures, there lies a wealth of meaning and intention waiting to be discovered. In the dance of the Japanese tits, we find a reflection of our own social intricacies, a reminder that communication transcends language barriers and species divides. So, next time you witness a flutter of wings in the treetops, remember the story of these courteous birds, gracefully conveying their message of "after you" in the gentle flutter of a feather. Source: Science.